The 1987 Riviera is available as the Riviera Coupe and the Riviera T-Type Coupe. The 3.8-liter V6 SFI engine with roller lifters is standard. New designer accent paint combinations are available. On the T-Type, the aluminum wheel center hub is revised. The standard lower accent paint is now silver. The graphic control center now includes an oil pressure gauge and graphic trip computer. A windshield washer fluid indicator has been added. A new driver's performance bucket seat is available on the Riviera. New fabric is standard on the Riviera. Available as a package is a leather-wrapped steering wheel and a leather-wrapped shift handle. Car telephones are getting more and more popular, so it's important to know that a cellular telephone wiring package is available. The optional electrically controlled day-night mirror is becoming more and more popular. Don't forget to point out the anti-slip floor mats and the passenger assist straps. The instrument panel, doors, and pillars are covered with a new permasuade material. A T-package is available for the Riviera. Remember, what you've heard are only the details of what's new for 1987. Be sure your product presentation gives your customers the complete Riviera story. The 1987 Riviera and the Riviera T-Type are two of the most sophisticated production cars in the world. The list of standard equipment on these cars, which you can sell today, reads like a fantasy to most of the competition. Riviera and Riviera T-Type are truly in a class by themselves, and that's great. But it also makes your job more complicated. Why? Because as technology gets further and further ahead, you must be able to give a product presentation that makes the most of what only Buick salespeople have to offer. Makes sense, doesn't it? With the Riviera, it also makes sense to begin your presentation by demonstrating the graphic control center inside the car, followed immediately by a demo drive. After that, complete your product presentation. Who are the people who buy Riviera? Like Electra Park Avenue buyers, they're near the top of the scale, but Riviera buyers are a little bit younger. They don't earn quite as much money. They probably shop imports more, and more than 1 out of 5 Riviera buyers is a woman. And finally, it's interesting to note that 10% of Riviera buyers are buying their first new car. The reasons for buying Riviera are also interesting. The most important reason to buy is technical sophistication. But don't forget to point out how handsome the car is, as well as high tech. The second reason to buy is interior design, and the Riviera is as far ahead of the competition here as in technology. The third reason is instrumentation. The fourth reason is dealer service, with a car as complex as the Riviera. That should be no surprise. And fifth is handling. Another good reason for a complete demo drive as early in your presentation as possible, especially with the T-Type. The Riviera is a very special car, and presenting the Riviera is also very special, because as spectacular as this car looks, and as impressive as the graphic control center and other features are, a lot of what makes the Riviera unique can't be seen easily. For instance, the fact that all the sheet metal, except for the roof, is galvanized on both sides for corrosion protection, and the fact that there is an all-stainless steel exhaust system designed to last for the life of the car. All that, and much more, make up the remarkable 1987 Riviera story. Do yourself and your Riviera prospects a favor. Present the Riviera properly. Use everything there is to learn about the Riviera. That's not just the best way. It's the only way.